Okay, so we're going to start by drawing part 124-4-49A. That's this part right here. It's 200 millimeters long by 125 wide. It has two cutouts on each side that are 100 millimeters long and 25 millimeters deep, leaving 50 millimeters here and 50 millimeters there. It's 25 and 25 on each side there, leaving 75 in the middle. So that way we're going to, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and go back to our program. We'll go to our internet there and type in web.autocad.com. Click enter and you should get to that point, and go ahead and log in, do everything you need to do to get to this point. We're going to click on a new drawing and we're going to call it by the part number 124-4-49A. It's going to create a drawing for that, and it is a metric part, so we're going to leave it metric and click open. Now it takes a minute or two to kind of work its way through here and think about these things, loading all the stuff it needs to load to be able to do the work we want to be able to do. But at this point, we're ready to get started. So you will see that there's other things over here that we probably will use some of, not all of, as we're doing this. And there's other things along the way that you're going to learn. But right now, we're going to start with the draw tab down here, and we're going to come across to the one that says line. Click line. We're going to pick an arbitrary point to start, and we're going to go right here. Now, this effect is called rubber banding. It just wants to kind of go around, rubber band all the way out there. But we want to turn that off, so we'll click on ortho. Remember, orthographic projections are straight out, up and down, left and right. So we're going to move it in this direction, and the distance we only want to go is 50. So type in 50 and hit enter. Right? So it's really, really small there. I can put my mouse close to it, zoom in by rolling the mouse wheel forward, so you'll see that that works that way. I made a mistake by clicking a spot right there, so I'm just going to type a U and hit enter, and it makes that disappear. So now I'm back to that last endpoint. So I'll move the mouse upward, type in 25. I'm going to move the mouse to the right, type in 100. I'll move it down, type in 25, and I'll go this direction to the right and go 50. Now that was up. I'm going to go up 125. All right, so it goes off the page. I'm going to hold my mouse wheel down to pan downward and move it down a little bit so where I can see it. I'll move it back to the left 50. I'm going to come down 25, go back to the left 100. I'm going to go up 25, go to the left 100. Nope, I'm going to back up. I'm going to go to the left 50. And hit enter, and then I'm going to hit C to close. And C will go back to the original, it closes it at the original spot you started. That's the part right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click the mouse wheel. That zooms to the extent of the part, right? That helps you find other little mistakes and stuff that may be out there, and it's just a good practice to get into right off the bat. So once you click save, it saves that drawing, and it saves it to the web under your account or on the cloud. So when you click the print button, you're going to click plot to PDF, right? We're just going to leave this way, plot to PDF. It's going to generate that PDF file, right? So you click download PDF, and wherever it downloads those PDFs is what you're going to do. You're going to save that file, because this is what I want to see when you turn it in. That's what I want. I want to see that file, all right? And then that's what you would submit if you were submitting the test. You'd submit the PDF file. But I just want you to save them, and when it's your turn to show it to me on Mondays or Thursdays, that's what I want to see.